wakapata ghasia.
Negi.
Wajua walimfanya aje? Yeye na bibi. Walitalo wote, bibi na huyo jamaa.
Utaloje?
Antalo bibi na antalo wote na huyo jamaa huko nyuma. Wanacheza na je. Walitalo mpaka huyo jamaa, walimpiga kitu. Wanajitani. Bibi na huyo jamaa aliambiwa leo mtu wa kitanda. Natalo bibi na kuruka kwa huyo. Atwalitalo bibi na huyo jamaa yote. Vitu. Huyo jamaa kuwaipona.
Alikufa.
Yaani ile akili ni kama ilikuwa inataka. Umeshikwa na wanaume 5. Wanakupiga huko nyuma kitu. Nakufunza tu adabu inaitwa ila na bibi. Mali yake leo kufanya tatu huko nini.
Yaseki, how are you, my brother? Just 1 second, I'm tuning this instrument. It's not producing the exact sound. That lady with the white rose eye. That lady with the white rose eye. What's in mind with that lady with the white rose eye along the river? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, good. Oh dear, oh dear, oh Peter, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, yeah. How are you, Queen Esther? Yeah, and don't get oh dear, oh here, good you do, yapine no good. Oh here, good you do, yapine no good. Ayo, J Havila, yes I can do it. Oh Dimo, yeah, oh Demba, oh Demba, oh Demba, Kodenga, Kodembo, Nyagwani boy. Nyatiti nimefall kabisa, wasiseme ni ndumba, shua mapenzi ni giza. Nyatiti nimefall kabisa, wasiseme ni ndumba, mapenzi ni ndumba. Banyo rana usoneba. Nyatiti nimefall kabisa. Dona nyatiti nimefall kabisa, wasiseme ni ndumba, shua mapenzi ni ndumba, shua mapenzi ni giza. Nimeonja sali ya mapenzi, nimeonja sali ya mapenzi. 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 Wex wangu zirudingo. Ayaba. Nimeonja sali ya mapenzi. Have you seen me now? Ina dansa miela milano. Ina tangi miela nyati. Nimeonja sali ya mapenzi. Nimeonja sali ya mapenzi. Nimeonja sali ya mapenzi. Ya nyatiti nimefall kabisa. Wasiseme ni ndumba. Jua mapenzi ni giza. Nimeonja sali ya mapenzi. Umanra lot of value. Lot of value in miela. Lot of value in miela. Mina a lot of valor. That lady with the white trouser shone like a Monday sun. That lady with the white trouser shines like a Monday sun. Nina lazima jakani jamu. Lazima jakani jamu. Nana. Haya Nicola. Nimeonja sali ya mapenzi. Ayo. I see dama. You are not going to respond, bro. Joseph, what are you saying, Joseph? Joseph, what are you saying? How are you? Thank you so much. Keep on watching my Makamugenda. Jam with the nyatiti. Just once. Also remember subscribe on YouTube. How are you, my friend? Let's continue, guys. My name is Makamugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. And right now, let's continue with the vibe. Carolina. Have you seen Sheila? Mashaba. Everyone watching, welcome in the vibe. Ilala Makaye. Benjamin, how are you? I'm fine, Benjamin. Good. Ilala Makaye. Bena. Imari makana din ana imari makana din ina. I'm from Kenya. Odina lelekona usiteseke kwa walijo najo baba. Ayo usiteseke kwa walijo najo mama. Ina mafungu saba unakupata na kukosa mama. Ukipata ni sawa, ukikosa ni sawa. Bodona Sasha. Niyo Nairobi, niyo Nairobi, niyo Nairobi, Nairobi, mama. Sultan, mimi Jaluo baba. Niyo Nairobi, ana elo, niyo Nairobi, ina come to Nairobi. Bodona come to Nairobi. Nairobi. Unapata kijana mdogo anaendesha Lamborghini, ukimuuliza kazi yake Kaladia. Ayo anajibu good manze. Ubendi maraya. Asipeti. Wachana na hiyo Ben. Unapata kijana mdogo anaendesha Lamborghini, ukimuuliza kazi yake ukimuuliza kazi yake Aziza anakwambia ni good manze. Benjamin, I'm from Kenya. Unapata mchana mrembo anamiliki jumba la kifahari, gari. Ayo ukimuuliza kazi yake anakwambia ni good manze. Good manze. Thank you so much, Jessiki. Bosco Sondema. Ni God. Good manze. Right. Hello. I see dream Amina. Good manze. Imar jongitama, Perosio Mayaya. Imar jongitama, Nio Onumande, wako jamba. On Tuesday, wako shisha. On Sunday, wako bash. Ayo, on Saturday, wako party. Ayo, wako party. Ayo, dono. Party after party, party after party, party after party, party after party. Miro, party after party, party after party. Muzinga, muzinga, mizinga, muzinga, muzinga na muzinga, muzinga na muzinga. Baka, muzinga na muzinga, ni muzinga. Ha ha. Just time. Best, yeah. Best. Lolo. Golvicha Sativo. Morning, everyone. Mioda. Terapio akopi, ibonyamara, samimuno junyia, imia tena jualga, yapigi beti, karito singo jago diam, tinama moja, imio mama buoye, ungeluba buoye, imio danga buoye. Yeah, let's continue the vibe, guys. Imar jongi tama, I see Johnny's kinda. Imar jongi tama, tama, tama. Imar jongi tama. Agency, oh agency, agency, online trader. Willow. Clarita the Queen. Clarita the Queen. General Adigency. Oh, Adigency. Jackson Muito, Clarita the Queen. Windanzo, Clarita, Bensamum, Clarita, can you dance? Jonna, can you dance? Can you follow? Clarita, can you dance? Clarita, can you dance? Singer. I see a Ronald Solomon. Samimulo junyia, imiote na jualga, yapigi beti, Gombrito singo nyago tiamo inama moja, Gombrito singo nyago mondi inama moja, imio mama boy, umwelo boy, Dana boy, magatanera boy, mama. Hey. Ayo, I see Sasha, and I'm your audience. Ibuanyamara albadirio oh dirio kamjaya wayo ayo. How much can you sing for my? When do you want that? Mama N and B. Mama N and B, just tell me the name of your husband. I think I can just sing to him. You will just appreciate. You will just tip. Mama N and B, give me the name. I want to sing. Now. Record it and send it to me. Okay, today. Accept record and send it today. Yeah. Okay, take my number. Odongo. Take my number. Where are you first of all, Mama N and B? Where are you right now? I think because if you are in Kenya, you can just use my I have sent you a number. Saved your number. Okay, text me on WhatsApp, please. Text me on WhatsApp right now. Text me on WhatsApp, please. After this, I'll do it for you. Let's continue the vibe. I really appreciate. I see Mama who? Mama who? Yeah, Mama who? Ini mamin ngaya, nyati tako ado. Ini min nga. Mama N and B. Brazil. Mama Brazil. Okay. Mama Brazil, Minyiri, Mama Brazil, Lunga Mama ye, Mama no Lunga, Lunga, Amad Lunga. Ayo, ene morito dongo, hey, ene morito dongo, linio, ene morito dongo, mama e morito dongo, yeah. Mama Brazil, I see Basio, Mama told me, Ayo, beautiful like Mama, beautiful like Mama, beautiful ladies like Mama. They get on Monday. It's gone on Monday. Ayo, Naomi was on the ball. Say, Mama, Mama, feel in the menu, Mama, Mama. Let's continue. Mama. Mama. I'm from Kenya, Nyamalita. I am Mama Nur Tumuangialu. When you see Mama Nur, Mama Nur, she's more pretty, she's more beauty. I'm more beauty. Mama, I'm gonna do. Hello, Benson Iyo yang mikionjo. Nyamalit, thank you so much, Nyarmalit. Where are you watching from? Mama, N and B. Mama N and B. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. My name is Makamugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. And also you can subscribe on YouTube. Coach also on the vibe. Please text me. Text me, Mama Nur Jaber. Angeli also in the vibe. Yeah, just text me on WhatsApp. I think I'll do it for you after this session. Yeah, Nyamalit, Nyarmalit, where are you watching from? I'm from Kenya, yeah. There's a song I was writing. Let me try it. Please kindly. If you know that lady with the white trouser, that lady with the white trouser, Mama Nur. Ayo, yeah, Nyakindu, Iyawan Onyagomaro Katonyenga, Nyakindu, Iyawan Onyagomaro Katonyenga, Iyawan Onyagomaro Katonyenga. Thank you so much, Mama Nur. Iyawan Onyagomaro Katonyenga, yeah. Yakindu Tumulungu, Mama Nur Pende Tumulungu. Thank you so much, Mama Nur. Iyawan Onyagomaro Katonyenga, Bendumuda Gutoronto. First time I met that lady with the white trouser, along the river, along the river, along the river. Yeah, Odiedo, 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 hey, Yamalidio, Yakindu Tumulungu. Mama Nur Bende Milotumba, Yaudungu Bende Jamoga Roma, Ayo, Yakin Bende Milotumba, and come on, Yakin Bende Tumba, Mama, thank you, Odiedo, ayo, Odiedo, Odiedo, Odiedo kongero godiedo nyathine nugone. Obiro yawa 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 yawa. Ayo, thank you so much, Mama. No. Obiro yawa, obiro, odembo, kodembo nyathine. Ayo, nyatiti nimefall kabisa. Ayo, nyatiti nimefall kabisa. Jua mapenzi si ndumba. Nyatiti nimefall kabisa. Musiseme ni ndumba. Jua mapenzi ni giza. Dimpo. Nyatiti nimefall kabisa. Musiseme ni ndumba. Jua mapenzi ni giza. Ayo, no, nado, alo, nimeonja swali ya mapenzi. Alo, nimeonja swali ya mapenzi. Nimeonja swali ya mapenzi. Mama Nur, nimeonja swali ya mapenzi. Yakindo, nimeonja swali ya mapenzi. Mama Nur, nimeonja swali ya mapenzi. Ayo, simu za usiku sitakingo. Kumeye ni ndienema. My woman, my driver. Hello, my woman, my driver. Inasimana. My woman, my driver. My woman, my driver. Ayo, dongo hai driver. Mama Nur, listen to this. Dongo baba ndiye dereva. Ayo, dongo baba ndiye dereva. Dongo baba ndiye dereva. Mama Nur, dongo baba ndiye dereva. Ukimwona my driver. Nyatiti nimefall kabisa. Musidhani ni ndumba. Jua mapenzi ni giza. Let me lend bundles. My guy, my bundles is now going. Mama Nura, I am waiting for your text because you know I'm online. Let's continue, guys. This is Makamugenda. Remember to subscribe. The verse, I like the verse according to the writing. My name is Makamugenda. If you like the vibe, also you can subscribe. You can also appreciate through PayPal. If you want to donate, you can donate through PayPal. But guys, I like the vibe. I like the chorus. Yeah. Nyatiti nimefall kabisa. Wasidhani ni ndumba. Nyatiti nimefall kabisa. Wanasema ni ndumba. Jua mapenzi ni giza. Ayo, ndiye dereva. Jua yeye ndiye dereva. Musa abombolo. Udongo bamba ndiye dereva. Ayo, my woman, my driver. I saw go. My woman, my driver. Coco, my driver. Are you ready to be driver. Are you ready to be my driver? Cook! How are you, cook? My human, my driver. Ayo, nimeonya sali ya mapenzi, nimeonya sali ya mapenzi. Roy, Florida. Yes, continue watching, guys. Makamugenda. Today I'm very happy, guys, because you know, by the way, tomorrow on Saturday I have a concert. I'll be performing in Mombasa. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. 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 Midunga. Respect, bro. Thank you so much. Midunga, may God bless you so much. You join my streaming on TikTok, on YouTube. God bless you. I really appreciate. I see you are in. Thank you so much, Midunga. Midunga, where are you watching from? Let's continue, guys. There's a song here I composed about environmental preservation, how we have to preserve our environment. Yeah, with angalia WhatsApp. No, haijaingia. No, haijaingia because my WhatsApp is just here. Before I continue, let me ask you, are you in Kenya? Because if you are in Kenya, that number, you can just use it like that. But if you are outside of the country, you have to start with the Kenyan code +254 720 15 9271. Amidunga Westler with a Westler. Any message? You have not seen any message? Yes. And also remember to follow. Ayo, engadonye niriemboko. I serve as nyatiti. Yeah, don't worry like that. Midunga. Ay, midunga. I'll send the text. Okay, I'll check. Just 1 second. 1 second, bwana. This one is serious. Okay. I see. Mama Nur, now I see. Midunga. Mama Nur, remember to send me the details. The name. Finish your live and send me. Baldomero, Kakapa. And also remember, this is a song about Lake Victoria, Baldomero. Baldomero. Have you heard about Lake Victoria in Kenya? Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. And this is a song, a special song for water preservation. And let's continue. Victoria, Victoria, ayo, you can't. Victoria, Victoria, how I muero. Oh, Victoria, yeah. Victoria, let go, Victoria. Did you protect my amour, my amour, my akuchua, my dejua, my dejua, my akuchua, what you lose? Ayo, have you seen me doing Thank you so much, TG Protector. May God bless you so much. TG Protector, you have to come to Kenya to test. There's some food. We have a tilapia. Tilapia is a fish from Lake Victoria. Also midunga. Jay midunga. Ayoba, oh Victoria, Islama, oh Lele Victoria, oh me boy, oh me homie, oh me. When you meet a woman from Migori, when you meet a man from Migori, get a pachimano jaluko. When you meet a man from Migori, get a pachimano jaluko. TG Protector, ayo, have you done a fishing? TG Protector, have you done a fishing? Thank you so much, TG Protector. When you meet the man from Kisumu, get a pachimano jaluko. When you meet the man from Kisumu, yeah, put your man as he's a fisherman. Ayo, when you meet the man from Homa Bay, put on your mind, that man is a fisherman. That guy is a fisherman. Hey, hey. When you meet the man from Sia, a man from Sia, ayo, get it, Bajimano Jalugo. Thank you so much, TG Protector. Get it, Bajimano Jalugo. And it, Bajimano Jalugo. Ayo, have you seen my guy, Mitunga? I'm proud to be a fisherman. Hey, I'm proud to be a fisherman. Hello, I'm proud to be a fisherman. If you're a fisherman, show your love. I'm proud to be a fisherman. I'm proud to be a fisherman. Do you know why? I don't. I'm proud to be a fisherman. Ojola is a fisherman. Miniri is a fisherman. Ayo, Miniri. Ojola, I'm proud to be a fisherman. If you meet them up from me, glory. Would you mean? Ayo, get a pachimano jaluko. Yeah, jaluko. Nia jalu. Miniri mano jaluko. I'm proud to be a fisherman. Ayo. If you meet them up from, I'll let go. I'm no ayo minuru mano nyalubo saniro odongo baba mano jalubo namoy and if mano jalubo you need me hey. I'm happy to be a fisherman. You need me I'm happy to be a fisherman. Hello. Are you dancing now? Me dunga dance. Bingiri dance. Bingiri dance. You need to dance. Mama do dance. Do dance. Hello, me do dance. The mama dance. Mama do dance. Yeah. Mila. Mila. Ayo. I'm happy to be a fisherman. If you see beautiful mama Nurio, put your mind is a brown fisherman. Miniri mano nyaluko, oh nyaluko, aye nyaluko, ayo. Victoria, yeah, oh Victoria. Aye, Ayoba, I'm done Makai. Don't you know I'm Mogikari, Alasero Abiro, Alasera Mabiro, Alasera Mabiro, Alasero Mabiro, Indu Chobo, Vito. One jumbling. One jumbling. Girl, mula. Ayo, It's just a vibe, guys. Thank you so much. I see Eunice. How are you? Andrew, my guy. Andrew, I know Andrew want something. Say, Karaber. There's a song Andrew likes so much. Karaber means something good, something vibetic, yeah? Yeah, something vibe. Thank you so much, my guys. My name is Makamugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. Yeah. Wolf, thank you so much. Keep on watching. Is Makamugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Just few seconds. Let's continue the vibe. Right now, I just want to play for you one song here. I say Karaber because I see Andrew Christopher. And Ruki Sova also, Mama Nur also in the vine. Mama Nur, listen to this one. Ayo, Mama Nur inyakanye. Mama Nur inyakanye awa. Washington also the vine. Mama Nur nyadala. It's Limo Cosmos on the bar. What the fuck? My bundle's gone. Let me recharge the bundles. Ooh. What do you want? Ayo, Mr. Me, Magda. I have decided, yeah, I have decided, to see Kala Jose Gi Jomadi Afati Kala Jose Gi Jomadi Mama oh my Mama Nuru Tumulongi Alexander Mama Nuru Tumulongi Aye Yaul Tumulongi Ha ha Papa Yeah Come along They wanna see you now my handsome Come along Yeah Come along Ayo If you like it show your love Hey hey Nyaziaye Nyaziaye Ole Nyaziaye Amigo You need anything Digi protector Where are you? Digi protector Where are you? You sent to me Where are you? Lawyer Where are you? Generalizo Where are you? Hey Bumps my guy Say we are coming Say we are coming Wabiru One wabiru Wabiru One wabiru Wabiru Aye Yeah Yeah Ha 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 Hallelujah Mama Nuru Yawa Umagone Karizo Everyone check up on me Everyone Shabale Samera Everyone check up on me Ayo, do uda shake your bum, bamsio shake your bum, Manu beauty, Manu beauty, Lanet, hello lady Lanet, hello, ayo, ajalu tumlungi, ha ha, agoreng tumlungi, ayo. Yaga guamutum, ajosia, yaga guamutum, odogo. I will know, bomb songo. I can go. So everyone can sing this one. Carabel, carabel. Naomi, ayo, Carabel means something good, something nice. Carabel, ha ha, Yalego Carabel, Yaya Carabel, ayo, Andrew Carabel, Abamzu Carabel. Naomi Garabe, Amiki Garabe, Babe, can you get real man go? Garabe, real man is good. Garabe, I Garabe, did you put I Garabe, Yalino Garabe. Hilda, Hilda, yeah, real man is gold. Everyone shake your bang, Lilia. Everyone shake your bang, Tito. Real man shake your bang, Mama Nuria. Josie baby shake your bum, Linia shake your bum, Hilda mama chamita yo, Tomago my chalo bizu, what? Manu, Yara lego tumluki, I'm back to my land. I'm back to my motherland. I'm back to my motherland. I'm back to my mother. I'm back to my motherland. African Bible. Real money is good. If you like, you can stand. If you like, you can stand. What? If you like, you can fight. If you like, hey, ayo, hey, have you seen real man? Thank you so much, real man. He's gold. Come along, my ancestor. I wanna pour my vibe to DK Vanso. Vanso Bamba Kana Jungle. Gomba Jalopano. Yeti Balungu. Alungu. Ajeti Balungu. Ayalungu. Mia. Yelela. What a good vibe is, guys. Thank you so much. It's just a vibe, morning vibe, guys, with Makamugenda. I really appreciate everyone who's watching. That one called Karaber. Yeah, Karaber. Thank you so much, Karaber. This is very nice. Yeah, something wow, something wow. Yeah, something wow, something bad. Elimia. And also remember to subscribe on YouTube. Is Makamugenda. Bonjour, bonjour. Je m'appelle Maka. Elimika. 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 Ayo. Have you seen my guys? Gina Tigaivan. Tigaivan. Ayo. Protection. Have you seen Jaira? Akinari man. Emilia. African king of the mind. Elimi. God. Have you seen Anna? Have you seen Anna? Mtoto wa mganga amepindaga ayo amepinda mwanamuziki ayo I see Ralph on the Mimnyiri, mother of beautiful daddy Pesh. The best shit still want instruments. I don't know why. Let's continue. Have you seen Elimi Kai? You saw Bimbo. He protect. He protect. Only I he protect. He's only real money best jam. In Agri Rancho, Stefania Mimo, Amimole. I am Mimo also. You can join the club. Remember to subscribe on YouTube. And also remember on forthcoming. On forthcoming. The page I told you to inbox me, but you didn't inbox me. My God, I don't know why. On forth. There's a concert, guys. Makamugenda will be playing with the band, the full band in Mombasa. I send you a message. No, I didn't see. The best. Send it now because when I end the vibe, I'll see. I told you $200. $200. That's how I sell my instruments. It's a vibe, guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe on YouTube if you like the vibe. Also, you can tip through PayPal. And also remember to subscribe. Enjoy day. See you next time. Thank you so much. I remain with a few minutes, guy. Depeche, too much, bro. Ralph, too much. This thing, when you buy, bro, this thing is all is gold. Something like all is gold. I sell to you and also I'll share with you the skill. So you see, can you buy the skill another day? Buy Maka. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. May God bless you. All is gold. Yeah, true. Can you buy the skill? Yeah. You buy the instrument and also I give you some skills. So you invest in your skills. Yeah. Chapo, El Chapo. Ay, mimica. Madio, oh, Mimi Kyle, Iji protect the Benjamin. When I see Mimi Kyle, I mean, because very young Rwanda, very young Rwanda, Cowboy, very young Rwanda, digital, well, no, it's me. I baby. Hey, I don't know, Emio, Niva, Karamaka, Odakyoka, beautiful, let me be kind. Laughter, light. Only one bumper. Dinner also in the van. Ayo, someday soon, Bakumaga, I meet people from Europe. I meet people from Europe. I meet people from Australia. I meet people from America. I meet people from Poland. I meet people from Norway. I meet people from Russia. I meet people from Kenya. People from Magai. Magai. Oh, Magai. Thank you so much. That's the end of my streaming, guys. Tomorrow morning, I have a nice time. Yeah, Mama Noor, I'm going to record for you, and you know I'm sick. I'm really sorry, guys. Yeah, today, from yesterday, I've been sick. Yeah, still on the process of treatment, guys. But Mama Noor, yeah, I'll just send. Give me like 5 minutes. I'll put on my attire, my traditional attire. So after that, I'll record the video. I'll send it to you. Yeah. So thank you so much for your time, everyone watch the streaming. May God bless you. My name is Makamugenda. Yeah. Also remember subscribe on my YouTube channel if you like the vibe. Also you can tip through PayPal or M-Pesa. Thank you so much, Mama Noor. Just give me around 5 minutes. I'm doing that around 5 minutes. Yeah, you know, right now I'm in the beach. I'm going to the house. Even few minutes, I'll change and do it for you. Just keep on watching. Not keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching. God, hope you recover soon. Yeah, thank you so much. My hand is paining very. I'm paining. Thank you. Have a nice time. Quach. Umuga. Wadai baba. Wadai. Dota nyo chako rama.